Hi everyone, and welcome to the fourth tutorial video of the Matchbox Restoration channel. In this video I'm going to show you the two main methods I use to strip the paint off models. The first method is the paint stripper method. This method uses a paint stripper in the form of a liquid gel type solution that reacts with the paint after about 10 to 15 minutes of the application. You can find this type of paint stripper in every hobby shop. Usually there are several strengths. I went for the medium strength solution, which works for most of the models I've been restoring. One of my subscribers suggested putting the paint stripper gel in a small jar instead of putting my paintbrush in the can while applying it. This prevents paint getting back into the paint stripper can. This way the gel in the can stays clean and retains its reaction strength. By the look of the paint stripper gel in this particular clip, it has already suffered from contamination while doing a previous project. When I opened the can when it was new, the gel was transparent, so be aware of that. To apply the paint stripper, simply use a paintbrush. After letting the paint stripper do its work for about 10 to 15 minutes, you can brush off the paint with a toothbrush. In this clip I'm using a metal brush, which makes the paint removal even easier. You can also do this using some water to get rid of the small parts of paint building up in the toothbrush. But as you can see in this clip, the paint stripper doesn't really work well enough to remove the paint of the bus. I have not yet found an answer to why this happens on particular models, but I do have a second method I'd like to share that can help you remove the paint from these models. That second method is using caustic soda to remove the paint. It often comes in the form of round pellets in these kind of bottles. You simply put the models in a glass jar and pour boiling water onto it. You actually want the glass to be filled just halfway, even just 1/3 would be even better. This because pouring the caustic soda pellets in afterwards gives quite a reaction, as you will see. Make sure to put in the water first before the caustic soda pellets, as doing it the other way around will make the pellets merge together and get stuck around the models at the bottom of the jar. Let the model sit in the caustic soda solution for an hour or so. Then empty the jar and refill it with clean water to rinse off the rest of the solution. Make sure to put on some kind of hand protection like rubber gloves, as the solution can cause burns on your skin. After you rinsed it, take the models out and dry them. You can then finish cleaning the models. I usually do this with some small tweezers to get the remaining paint from between the small details of the castings. After all the paint has been removed, you can clean the model even more by using a steel brush on a Dremel tool. Preferably one with brass brushes. This will give it back its shine. I used to clean the models with a fiber pen, but although it works quite well, it does leave some marks on the casting. And that's it. That's how to paint strip a model and make it ready to be repainted. Let me know if you found this tutorial useful and if you like other methods I used explained in a bit more detail. Please click the subscribe button to get notified when I'm uploading a new video. Also keep your eye out on the community tab of my channel, where I'll let you know what I'm working on. And as always, thanks for watching.